Imagine waking up, opening your eyes, and realizing you cannot move. You're conscious, you can see the room, you can think, but your body is frozen, and that loss of control triggers instant panic. Your fear system floods the moment with urgency, heart racing, chest tight, every signal screaming danger. Here's what's really happening. During REM sleep, when dreams are vivid, your brain switches off your muscles to keep you from acting them out. Sleep paralysis happens when your mind wakes up before that switch flips back. So you're awake inside a dreaming body. That overlap is why hallucinations feel so real. Sounds, shadows, a presence nearby, dream imagery leaking into the real bedroom. Across history, many cultures explain this as a demonic or supernatural attack because it felt external, intentional, and threatening. But it's not an intruder. It's awareness without movement, fear without escape, and dreams without sleep. Sleep paralysis is terrifying because it traps the mind between dreaming and waking, and that space feels deeply wrong. Next time, how do you take control?